Okay, so hi. Today I will show you how to create an email automation so that you can send personalized emails individually to a list of companies. So hi, first of all, you have to create an email automation for n8n, and for that, I you can just import from the file which I will show you here. Then after that, just save the workflow, and then we have to do some setup here. So first of all, we need Google Sheets API so that you can get all the your contact information from Google Sheets. So for that, what you have to do is here I already had one created for me. I will create a new credential, and for that we need client ID and client secret. So for that you have to go to Cloud Console, and you have to create a new project. So give any name which you like and create it. Okay, so now the project has been created. I will select it and then start working on it. Now we have to go to API and services inside the project. So click on explore and enable APIs, and inside that, since we need Google Sheets API, so before using all of that, we will first click on auth consent screen. So just give any app name. User support email will be your email which you will use to log in inside n8n for Google Sheets. Then make it external so that everyone can use this, and send the email address and agree, and that's it. So now your auth consent screen has been created. You can just move back to API and services. Oh yes, and you also have to click on publish it so that it is available for public use. Now we will go back to the enable API, and here we will search for the Seeds API and enable it. After we enable it, we also have to create an OAuth credential for it so that we can get client ID and client secret. So for that, since the API has already been created, we can click on credentials and create an OAuth credential for it. Okay, so click on OAuth client ID. Application type would be web application. Give any name which you want. After that, this one is not required, but what we do require is the authorized redirect URIs, and for that, that redirect URI has already been given in the n8n workflow. So for that, just go to n8n and copy this OAuth redirect URL, paste it, and then that's all. Great. We will get client ID and client secret, which we have to paste it n8n. Okay, that's all. Now we have done OAuth consent screen, we have enabled the Google Sheets API, and we also have created an OAuth client API. Now for OAuth client credentials. So now save it and sign in with Google. It will open an OAuth consent screen. Just select your account, and then click on advanced and go anyway. Give the permissions and continue, and connection is successful. So now we have the Sheets API already integrated in n8n. Okay, so just create any sheet like a n8n mail, and give the title as I have given here. You can change the title, but you also have to change the prompt in the n8n also for that. Now here just choose the sheet, and then the sheet has been configured correctly now, right? Oh yes, it's also saying that we also have to enable Drive API. So for that, just search Google Drive API and enable that also. So now this has also been created and the credential will remain same. So now it will work. It should work. And then my name is n8n decimal, right? So select that one, seat 1, and here I have created the column merge status, which will basically just tell us if the mail has been sent successfully or not. So if the merge status is empty, that means the mail has not been sent, and that's all that we need. So when we execute it, we will get all the row details. Since here I only have one row in the seed, so it's giving me one row. Okay, so this one will also just select the correct seed, and everything else will remain the same. So now that we have configured seed and drive API, it's time to configure the mail API. So for that, just search for Google Mail, Gmail, and enable that also. So now Gmail has been created. The credentials should remain same. Okay, it is giving me some error. Maybe just save it. Okay, yeah. Now let's try again. Still giving me an error. Okay, let me just try to paste it again. It's the same one. Oh yes, the client ID was not okay. Okay, now just save it and it should work now. Yes, it's working. Click on advanced, go anyway, give all the permissions and click on continue. Okay, connection was successful. So now mail API is also configured correctly. Now this is one setting, append n8n attribution. It basically adds a footer which says that this mail has been sent using n8n. But we don't want that. We want it to be completely personalized. So so select this and disable this option. Now click on save, and yes, this is the starter template which I have given you. It is taking the elements like first name, company, and other things from the sheet and is replacing them here for each of the rows. So for if you want to change the column name or if you want to add hundreds of rows inside the sheet, you can do both of them. You have to keep in mind what to change here also. So now I I think it's all done. So let's just save it and execute the workflow. Okay, the mail has been sent here correctly. So now let's see here. The seat has been updated. My status is showing complete, and I've got the mail, which seems to be personally made for me only. So that's all. If you have any doubts or if you face any errors, do let me know, and I was happy to help you. Okay, bro.